Good afternoon from Europe, good morning, good evening, whatever you are, guys. It's my pleasure, Piotr here, this is Light Forex Global YouTube channel, and we are going to cover Bank of England rate decision. I've started to build a short position right ahead based on this possible failure when it comes to yesterday high, and we've seen the rejection going on. We were talking yesterday towards the end of the day that I've been short, but I cover it on this pullback. So as you can see right here, right now, first small short cable. I do not expect why the cable should go higher. Still think that world is the overall will look for dollar, so the dollar demand is gonna be strong. That's the intraday setup only. Also I do have pound yen, and I like what I see here on a daily. Also watching carefully the developments on the pound yen, but here I'm going to switch to the 1 minute chart because I would like to add at some point into that. Well, I'm gonna be wrong with strong move and two early close in a row, consecutive two early close above 2040, 2050, I would say. So we will see, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's have a look if we can grab few pips, 15 seconds. What's gonna be the first target? I'm looking for the break of that zone here. Okay, and I'm looking for a retest of this level, so that's what I'm gonna target. Levels close to 17, somewhere here. Okay, let's have a look what we have here. No change after emergency meeting, 0.1. Okay, so let's have a look if we can somehow join the party here. Well, looks like so. I'm going to add somewhere here. But guys, you have to be very, very careful. I'm going to make the update in relation to that. Few words. I know what I'm doing, guys, right? I know what I'm doing. My exposure is very, very low. Within the next 30 minutes, we are going to get weekly jobless claims, and the expectations are so wide. Let me provide you some informations. For example, Reuters expectations are just 1 million, right? Where the Goldman Sachs expectations are around 2.5 million, right? And there is also Bank of America 3 million, Morgan Stanley 3.4, with Citi seeing the jobless claims at 4 million. So we might see bigger than usual volatility around announcement, right? But I think we are not gonna get the real number, right? I think the probably we are never going to realize what the real number was. That's how I see the things, to be honest with you. I haven't been filled with the second one. Oh, not good. But no rush here. Yes, I would like to be filled ahead of the jobless claims, because if we are going to get, well, not that bad, we might see a strong dollar rally. So if you remember, also I'm building, not from the intraday, from the medium-term perspective, I'm building the euro-dollar short position as well. Also sitting on tiny gold short position. So overall, if you remember yesterday summary of the day, so you know what I'm doing. Guys, you can check what I'm doing using the link you can find in the description. Okay, that's the first thing first. And the second thing, you have to remember, we have huge volatility right now, okay? So yes, your exposure should be a little bit lower. All right, so it's going, it was supposed, so we have already 50. I'm going to think in that case, if we are going to get 50, 70, 80 ahead of the jobless claims, I might think to cut half. That could be the solution. And eventually, if we are going to see, because I already have long dollar exposure, and if we have the higher volatility after the jobless claims, I may renew, for example, right? So, well, you know, everyone is different. I'm not gonna, you know, everyone is trading different way, all right? Probably we are not gonna be able to trade the same way between the trader A, B, or C, right? So that's how I see the things. All right, guys. So that was the short market update. That was the Bank of England live market coverage, I would say. Okay. Again, just to explain, I took short right before when we were fading the attempt to break higher through the yesterday high. The early close was in my favor. I haven't been filled with the second position yet. We do have weekly jobless claims. The expectations are that the number is going to be very, very weak. So a little bit higher volatility here is possible. But as for now, I'm still positive towards the dollar, right? Of course, I'm going to make another update later during the day. Depends what's going to happen. So lately, even with this higher volatility, we are doing quite well for now. End of the month, end of the week is coming also. So also have to be very, very careful, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, don't be trapped. Be careful. And we are going to see each other with another update somewhere during the New York session, New York cash session. Take care, guys. Thank you very much. It was my pleasure to be with you here. Take care and goodbye.